today's topic is about weather. So let's just quickly look at our vocabulary here on the board. So we have predicting. What does the word predicting mean? Just put up your hand. Yes. And then we have a thermometer.
They measure the temperature.
The temperature, how hot or how cold it is. You can see that our thermometer is also there on top. We have a barometer. Yes.
That instrument that measures it.
An instrument that measures the air pressure. So we have it here, as you can see. Our barometer is an instrument. What do you see when you look at the clouds?
You sometimes see when how it changes.
How it changes, but most of the time we see shapes, isn't it? Yes. We see a monkey on a bicycle. Now we look at those things. But can you look at the weather and say, oh, it's going to be chilly tonight? Can you do that? No. Quick revision. Bantuk, where can we find Bantuk in which region? In the Commas region. Rehoboth?
The
Hartap region. Grootfontein? Line?
barometer.
The parameters, yeah.